I was stuck, trying to fix some images with clunky tools. Every edit felt like a chore. Then I found this. Google just made Nano Banana and Veo 3 completely free inside an amazing tool called Whisk, and it's a total game changer. In this video, I will show you how to create incredible images and animations effortlessly. No clunky layers, no manual resizing, just clean, creative results in minutes. The link in the description. Whisk opens instantly, free with your Google account. You will land in the project dashboard with a prompt box and an add image button. You can drag in your own files, or roll the dice for random inspiration, or upload a subject like this. Here's an image of a woman. Let's edit it so she's eating burger. Just click edit and type make her eat a burger. Hit generate and done. Whisk keeps the style and expression intact. Now we have got a consistent character to build around. Next, I'm uploading a clothing collage and selecting a food trucks as our background. I'm skipping style for now and letting Whisk do its thing. The output is impressive. The textures, colors, and scene integration feel natural, and I didn't have to tweak anything manually. Now suppose I want to refine the image to make her holding a cup of juice and the burger. Click on refine button, then write the prompt. Make her holding a cup of juice in one hand and the burger in the other hand. And boom! Isn't amazing? Let's take it further. How about a totally unexpected setup? I'm combining an astronaut suit, a bowl of ramen, and a vintage Japanese alley. Prompt: an astronaut eating ramen under glowing lanterns in a narrow Tokyo alley. And here is what we got. This is what makes Whisk powerful. You are not just creating visuals, you are telling stories with them. Time to animate. Select the image, click animate, and type your action. I'm going with: she takes a bite of her burger and looks at the camera, and she say, "I wish if you can try this." Let's run it.
Run it. Run it! Oh, hell yes.
I wish if you can try this.
Just like that. Motion, character voice, ambient sound, all without touching a timeline. Need more than 3 references, merge them into one image. I did it here. A corgi, a pizza, and a disco ball in one frame. Upload that as your subject. Then prompt: corgi dancing under a disco ball while eating pizza in Times Square. The result? Unreal. Before we close, here's a quick note for the tech curious. Whisk uses Google Gemini to understand the images you upload by turning them into text descriptions. Basically, it reads your image and captures the idea behind it. Then it uses Imagen 4, which is Google's most powerful image model, to turn those ideas into new visuals. And when you want to animate your image, it uses Veo 3 to bring your scene to life with movement and sound. Just know that image generation is unlimited, and animation with Veo 3 gives you 5 free clips per month, which reset every 30 days. Try it out using the link below, and thanks so much for watching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe if you want more, and I will see you in the next one.